Hello, I'm Scott McLemore with Honda's Workforce Partnerships team, and I'd like to welcome you virtually to Honda. Whether it's strengthening our current workforce or developing the workforce of the future, Honda is committed to manufacturing in North America. Years ago, manufacturing was sometimes described as dirty, dark, and dangerous. That couldn't be further from the truth today. Honda's manufacturing plants are fast-paced, dynamic, high-tech workplaces featuring cutting-edge technologies and opportunities for growth. However, don't just take my word for it. Take a look for yourself. Honda is a company that makes things. In fact, in 2019, Honda associates in North America made more than 5.1 million products. A great variety of products. Our founder, Soichiro Honda, believed that the purpose of technology is to help people and make their lives better. This includes not only the technologies in our products, but the technology required to build them. Honda began building products in the US over 40 years ago in Marysville, Ohio. This served as the foundation for the production of automobiles in Ohio, which began in 1982 when associates at the Marysville Auto Plant began building the Honda Accord. That has blossomed into Honda now having 8 auto plants in North America, which in 2019 alone built some 1.2 million Honda and Acura vehicles in the United States. All told, Honda now has 12 manufacturing facilities currently in the US. These facilities manufacture a variety of products, including different types of vehicles, a variety of power equipment products, including lawnmowers, generators, and other power equipment products, the Honda Jet, and the turbofan engines that take it to the skies. Let's take a look inside to see some innovative steps we're taking in the manufacturing of an automobile. You see, it really is high-tech, and you can be a part of this challenging and rewarding work. There are many different career paths at Honda. The Honda team includes a wide range of people with diverse backgrounds. Our diverse workforce enables Honda to create advanced vehicle and production technologies that make people's lives better. We have 4-year degree career paths, 2-year degree career paths, and non-degree paths. There's something for everyone. We are always interested in motivated, team-oriented candidates to join our company and hope you'll come make history at Honda.